Alright, what's good with y'all? Update video. I know I haven't done it one in a long time on this channel, cause I upload all this stuff on my vlog channel now, or the ride reaction channel. Some of y'all subscribed over there, a lot of y'all have not, cause I think I just hit 14,000. We're about to be at 15,000 over there. So I'm doing the update on this channel just to let everybody know what's going on. I've been getting a lot of comments. I know a lot of people. Y'all can see I've dropped a whole lot of weight. And I want to talk about that too, because you know I had a few comment people like, I hope you're not sick, Jay, and all of that. And now I'm not sick, man. Or I lost the weight. Well, since we're on that topic, I'm gonna go ahead and get into that now. I lost the weight intentionally just by eating right and just working out. That's what I've been doing, y'all. So I'm in perfect health. I'm in great shape. I'm gonna drop my transformation pictures on the screen right now so y'all can see. So as you can see, I lost 109 pounds in 180 days, 6 months time. Like I said, I set up my own diet. I didn't have any help. I actually sell meal plans now. So if you want a meal plan, I offer a 2-week plan for $30, and I offer a 4-week plan for $50, and they do work. I'm helping a whole lot of people lose a lot of weight like right now. So you can see on the pictures, man, I put that work in, and that's it. I'm still a work in progress. So yeah, that was the pictures. So you know, as y'all can see, I'm still a work in progress. I'm currently down 111 pounds. I've been focusing on targeting straight body fat now. I'm a little lean, man. I'm a little lean, a little something. But now I'm feeling great though. Seriously though, I'm just focusing on getting lean, getting leaner, not too lean, not a super low body fat percentage. But that's what's been going on, man. I'm perfectly fine, y'all. I know folk been commenting saying, hey, you know, you can see it in my face and all over. So yeah, if you're not on my Facebook, then you don't know, which a lot of y'all aren't. Some of y'all, this the only way y'all keep up with me. So yeah, I lost weight intentionally. I'm still on a health and fitness journey. This is my second time losing weight. I know nutrition, so if you need help, you're interested in a meal plan, you can email me. Shoot me an email. You can actually just email to JMALCOM2004@gmail.com. Shoot me an email, and we'll get set up with a meal plan. Payments accepted through Cash App and PayPal. So that's that, the weight loss. Second thing, y'all see Big Meech? Big Meech back here. A lot of people been asking about Big Meech. Big Meech, I'm gonna start on the car next year. It's gonna be the last thing I start on, cause this car the budget on this car, well, it ain't a budget, but the drivetrain going in this car gonna be pretty expensive. The car itself, suspension, all that stuff gonna get redone. I'm doing the big block Pro Charge setup. So it's gonna have a nice size Pro Charger. Probably go with an F2 or something, cause that's what the majority of y'all wanted to see. I asked on Instagram and on my Ride Reaction channel. And if you're not subscribed to that Ride Reaction channel, I'm gonna put it on the screen right now. You can stop, go subscribe. I do anything dealing with my personal cars, my Camaro, Big Meech. I just bought another car. I dropped that video on the channel. Anything dealing with my personal bills, I show on that channel. Or ride reaction videos where we taking rides, I show on that channel. So it's more like a vlog channel. So if you didn't know I got it, or go over there and subscribe if you want to keep up that content. But yeah, so that's what's going on with Big Meech. I just bought another box Chevy. If you've been keeping up with me, you know I bought a box Chevy early in the year that was green like this. It was a darker green. I just popped up and bought it, and I actually ended up selling it to my little brother or whatever. I sold it to him because he wanted it bad, and I want to see him ride. So I sold it to him early in the year. I didn't keep the car but a month, and now just 3 days ago I bought it back because he had a change of plans. So I just went to the bank, cashed him out, and I bought it back. He called me first before he even put it out there. As soon as he called me, I said, well, let me think on it. Thought on it an hour, and I called him back. I said, man, I'm coming to get it. So I bought that back. I just don't have it here at the house yet. I'm going to be doing a budget big rim build on it. I know everybody not a fan of big rim cars, but that's where I come from, big rim culture. I don't never forget where I come from. You don't never change. I always stay humble and whatever, you know, but that's why I give y'all a variety of content over here. But I have a big rim channel as well. Oh, I forgot to announce, I do have a fitness channel. If you want to know the health and fitness tips, I just hit 110 subscribers. I'm proud of that. Been very consistent over there. My health and fitness channel is J Malcolm Fitness Motivation. It's on the screen right now, and all this stuff is in the I pinned the comment, so you can click It's in the description too. You can click and go straight to the channel. You can subscribe if you want to know about that too. I got a fitness channel, J Malcolm Fitness Motivation. But I have a big rim channel where I do big rim reviews, just like you review new cars, like they review the new Corvettes, the new Challengers and Chargers and Hellcats and all that. I do reviews on big rim cars. You know, I don't have but 2 videos up there right now. You know, it's kind of it's a task getting set up to do a full review on people's cars, and you know, anytime you got other people involved, then scheduling is still hard. But I do have a big rim review channel. So the plan for that other box Chevy I just bought, I'm gonna do a budget big rim build. What that's going to consist of is building a big rim or a clean car. I say in quotation because it's all up to what a person feels or, you know, thinks is clean. But basically building you a nice little big rim ride for a budget. Everybody don't have, these guys have some serious money in them cars, y'all, whether you like them or not. Some of them cars $100,000 cars. From the drivetrain, they got serious drivetrains in them. The wheels are not cheap. The wheels are not cheap. They really expensive. Paint jobs are really expensive. Interior, they get the costing like a race car. In some cases, some of the big rim cars are more expensive than race cars, depending on how serious they got with the drivetrain. So keep that in mind. But just same thing I did with Cheapskate. Cheapskate was a hot rod version. Now I'm gonna do a budget big rim build. So I'm gonna be featuring that build on those 2 channels. My JMALCOM2004 rides, which I'm gonna be showing the drivetrain part of it. I'm gonna be doing a Gen 1 small block. People been asking already, but I'm gonna be showing the drivetrain, the build, the engine build, the transmission I'm going with, all that stuff on the ride reaction channel for that other car, and the actual cosmetic stuff gonna be shown on my big rim review channel. And if you want to know that channel, it's J Malcolm Big Rim Reviews. It's on the screen right now. You can type it, it'll show up. So I'm gonna be doing the cosmetic stuff on that channel. So y'all gonna be seeing the car in the shop at Joe Buddy Racing. We're gonna be breaking down the engine just like Cheapskate, telling y'all the cam and all that going in it, what size motor. Then when we get to getting into the paint job and getting cleaning the interior, cause the car has custom interior, cleaning up, detailing and all of that. If I'm gonna change the brakes, and I'm gonna show y'all the outside stuff, the cosmetic stuff you can do for cheap, or changing the lights, the headlights and stuff like that. You know, from buying rims, the rim choices and stuff, how to find rims cheap or a good deal, and how to know when you're getting a good set of rims used and all of that. And basically building a car the way you like it, and not trying to roll with or what everybody else got going on. Cause that's the thing with building cars now, especially with big rim cars. You're trying to do what this guy do or this guy do, but you might not have their budget. Same thing with building a hot rod. You do what you can do and what you want to do. That's why I hate people get judgmental talking about he don't have forges, he don't have a money forges or roaches or this and that. It's not about that. It's about doing what you can do, what you like, and what looks good. That's just a name on a rim. Sometimes quality is different, but 9 times out of 10, it's just like clothes. Clothes don't make your rims, don't make your car. It's just the way the game go, man. But I'm gonna show folks how to do a budget big rim build. Nobody has ever done this on YouTube, so that's gonna be interesting. Even if you don't like it, it's just be something to watch, you know, something interesting. So that's gonna be on the J Malcolm Big Rim Reviews channel. I'm gonna be doing that. The cosmetic stuff, but the drivetrain still gonna be nice. It's gonna be a little snatcher, you know, all that. Cause the car got a rim in it already. It's already 8.5. It's a 373 posi in it and all that good stuff. So good on that. It's another box Chevy on Fan of B bodies. All right, next thing I need to update everybody on. I got 4 hot rods now. I got 4 old schools. There's too much. Some gotta go. Cheapskate is for sale. If you haven't heard already, Cheapskate is for sale. What's the price? The price is $2,300 for the roller. If you don't know what a roller is, no motor or transmission included, and the only thing else that won't come with the truck is the shifter, the floor shifter. Everything else stays. It has a Sunpro tack in it, the big tack, custom gauge cluster. If you've been following the build, then you know all this stuff. And you know all this stuff I'm naming was new. The rear end is totally new from Summit. Everything from the inside the axles, motor 28 spline axles, Yukon gear, open gear carrier. Strange mini spool, Richmond 373, the setup kit, all that stuff was new, man. It's about I spent probably like $1,300–$1,400 in the rear end. All this new. It's still 7.5, but I bulletproofed it for that budget motor. We got a Jazz 1 gallon fuel cell up front, Holly Blue fuel pump, never been turned on, gas never been ran through it up front for a dedicated nitrous system. Got a RCI 15 gallon cell in the back of the truck that was bought brand new. Battery relocated to the back, nitrous bottle brackets in the bed. We got a brand new bed cover that was bought new. Nitrous line was new, it's still in the truck. What else? We got Comp Engineering 3-way adjustable shocks all 4 corners of the truck. 2-inch lowering blocks in the back. It's a lot been done. Hardwood 4-inch cowl pin on hood. I bought that new. It's a good chassis, man. It's a drop your motor in and go. Got 3-inch exhaust, X pipe, all that was new. Magnum flow mufflers, which also were new. Sanderson headers for aftermarket angle plug heads, which were also new. All that comes with the truck. You can literally put your motor and transmission in, get you a floor shifter, take off. So the truck is for sale. I'm located in Georgia for people that don't know. The truck is at Joe Buddy Racing. It's put up, safe, sound, but if you want the truck or you're interested in buying, it's an 84, it comes with a bill of sale. Everything is straight on it. I drove it, as you know, so it registered to me. 2300. That's a giveaway. I just told y'all I got a $1,400 rear end. You know, I don't count labor, that's parts, but and I got receipts and all that stuff. But if you watch the bill, then you know, all that stuff was new. But yeah, cheapskate for sale, man. A lot of people, some people sad to see it go, but it's part of the game. It served the purpose. I got the truck. I've owned the truck for 3 years, really now. But it just took a year. Well, it didn't take quite a year. I just stretched it out to make it bill, do the $5,000 budget bill. But that was the purpose, man, just to show people you can do stuff for cheap. And sometimes that's what comes with it. The truck end up knocking. So that's a part of trying stuff out cheap. So served its purpose. Had fun with it. Now it got to go. It's gonna be a lot of cars that's in and out on this channel. Big Meats ain't never going nowhere. If you know, this got sentimental value, so it ain't going nowhere. But I got another one, another box. I know y'all know I like G bodies, but B bodies really my first love. That's how I came on YouTube, with a box, with this car right here. I had a G body too, but I love B bodies. So I'm trying to show variety, man, provide good content. You know, we got the Camaro in there. It's getting a lot of changes getting done too, and you just gotta stay tuned in to the Ride Rats channel, cause that's where all the content is. So I'm gonna show y'all this stuff too. Matter of fact, let me show y'all that. All right, so this the Camaro. Some people still don't know I got this car. I'm shocked, man. I had this car since May, but this is my Camaro. Like I said, some of y'all don't even know nothing about the Ride Rats channel, surprisingly. But yeah, this is my other car's turbo. 6.0. I decided not to grudge this car. You got to go over there and look at them videos, man. All that over here, but this is it's on jack. 400 trans, been redone by Showtime transmission rebuild. A lot of y'all hit him up and got stuff done, so appreciate y'all. He does amazing work. But recently, I had to get a converter, so I chopped the trans out, and this converter I just got from Big T Performance Torque Converters. He located in Decatur, Georgia. Yes, right in Georgia. Best kept secret. This is an all billet torque converter, man. The best of the best. It's spec, custom spec by him. His number is on the screen right now. Hit him up. I'm telling you, from mile to wild. This is a serious piece. This is a serious piece right here. But he do them in stamped steel too, if you want, which a lot of people get stamped steel. But if you want the show nut stuff, this is billet. You see, this is one piece. This is not a welded on flange or nothing. This all one piece. This is a billet converter. We got the balloon plate on it, all of that. I just had to go buy a Hughes flex plate, which y'all getting a sneak peek, cause this gonna be on my next video for the ride channel. But I had to buy the Hughes flex plate. Had a problem when I switched to the billet converter. Had to get new ARP bolts, but this new unit going in here is spec. It's a little better than what I had in there. Billet, like I said, is definitely stronger. So that's what's going on. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this update. I want to update people on this channel. Let them know everything going on. So on that note, I'm out.
Said